Thanks very much. Welcome, everyone. It's my privilege to be here and welcome everyone to the future home of the Great Plains Power Station. I want to thank everyone for coming today. Specifically, I want to welcome Chief Francis and Mayor Ptolemy for being with us, as well as I see there's one of the Reeves is here and also somebody from IBEW. Thank everyone from IBEW for their contribution, not just to this project, but for keeping us safe and electrified throughout the year. We've gone through some challenging times with weather disruptions and everything else. I know some of the IBEW members have worked all night, so thank you for that. I want to recognize my colleagues from the legislature, Greg Lawrence, MLA for Moose Jaw-Waccamaw, and Tim McLeod, MLA for Moose Jaw North. They've been strong advocates, not just for this project, but for Moose Jaw and all of the surrounding area. I'm personally a big fan of Moose Jaw. I, some years ago, went to trade school, what was then STI, which is now part of the Polytechnic, and I always thought it was one of the nicest places in the province that you could go to. So I'm glad that the good citizens of Moose Jaw have chosen to give us Tim and Greg, and they're working out for us exceptionally well, and we're putting them to work now that the pandemic is over and we can actually sit and talk a little bit more face to face. I'm glad that we're able to see firsthand the good work that's already underway to make this power station a reality. When complete, this state-of-the-art combined cycle natural gas-fired power plant will provide enough baseload electricity available 24/7 to power a city the size of Regina. Reliable, sustainable, and cost-effective power is crucial to the well-being of Saskatchewan's people and the growth of its economy, which is why Great Plains Power Station is so important. With the help of this power station, we will continue to ensure communities and businesses have the power that they need to grow and to thrive. Reducing emissions from power generation is a key pillar of our Prairie Resilience climate change strategy, and we are pleased that SaskPower is ahead of schedule on that front. SaskPower is set to reduce its carbon emissions at least 50% below the 2005 levels by the year 2030, which exceeds the company's previous commitments to reduce emissions by 40% below the 2005 levels during that same period. Great Plains will provide stability and reliability as SaskPower works to make those projections a reality and makes even deeper cuts in the decades beyond. Even though Great Plains won't be operational for 3 more years, it's already helping to power Saskatchewan's economic recovery. Our last power station project led to $140 million of work for local and Indigenous businesses and workers, and SaskPower has committed to even more local involvement for this project. If you can look around, you can already see some of the results of that local involvement. Mike Marsh, President and CEO of SaskPower, will speak in some detail about the economic opportunities that this project has generated in just a few minutes. Once again, I want to thank all of you for taking the time to be here today. I want to offer my thanks to everyone that's involved in this project on behalf of Premier Moe and the Government of Saskatchewan. You are doing great work. Don't stop. Thanks very much for the invitation and the opportunity to be here.